全观众朋友来看看这新闻，讲到美国呢，在对全世界86个国家要扣这对顶关税啊，而且川也讲到台湾的台积电，讲这台积电呢，若无伫咧美国设厂，将有可能要改扣100%的关税。伊也强调讲，有超过70个国家想要和美国进行贸易谈判，只是美国无法度伫咧短时间内全部处理，所以咱呢，将有可能要甲这药品扣关税，也因为美国的市场真大，若阵扣到到底，这些大药厂拢会转到美国去。
美东时间早到透早，也就是台湾时间中昼12点，美国开始对全球86个国家扣10%至50%之间的对顶关税。真正川普伫共和党众议院全国委员会，哪听音乐哪跳舞，而且甲大家讲伊对顶关税政策，讲这会互美国逐工拢有真侪钱入来，而且无论是倒一国，敢若会当透过甲美国直接谈判这条路。
We're making $2 billion. This isn't 35 million. That's peanuts. $2 billion a day.
另外，川普阁一解讲到台积电，而且公开批评前总统拜登，予台积电66亿美金的补助，予因伫亚利桑那州设厂。川普讲，这个半导体公司根本就无需要这条钱，而且伊嘛无予台积电半仙。
They're spending $200 billion in Arizona building one of the biggest plants in the world. And that's without money. All I did is say, if you don't build your plant here, you're going to pay a big tax, 25, maybe 50, maybe 75, maybe 100%.
最近，川普开始安排甲主要的盟国做贸易的谈判，不过要甲中国伫这个上尾的时刻达成协议，看来已经是无可能啊。所以，川普强调讲，中国要外销去美国的物件，关税税率累计到104%。针对鱼音甲拼多多等等中国的电商，请在以小额合约的方式寄去美国。川普宣布，为5月初2开始就无阁下用啊。6月开始，中国每一件用寄的包裹会另外扣150块美金固定的费用，是比进前起3倍。
I think they'll make a deal at some point. China will. They want to make a deal. They really do. They want to make a deal. They just don't know how to get it started because they're proud people.
有关关税，川普强调讲，超过70个国家拢想要来甲美国达成贸易协议。不过问题是，美国无法度一个手甲遐尔济国家见面，而且嘛无必要，因为对顶关税已经正式生效。
And we're doing very well in making, I call them tailored deals, not off the rack. These are tailored, highly tailored deals. Right now, Japan is flying here to make a deal. South Korea is flying here to make a deal, and others are flying here.
川普阁讲，真紧就会甲进口入来美国的药品扣关税，而且只要一个扣税，才会做药仔的工厂就会随转来。因为美国的市场真大，比其他的国家还阁较有优势。这几个礼拜以来，川普一直讲到药品的关税，不过并无详细说明时间表。公司新闻，新乐培编译。